Hi, I'm Jim Paxon from Arizona Game and Fish. As a sportsman who treasures Arizona's wildlife as much as you do, I'm here asking for your help with an exciting new project. It's called the Sportsman's Value Mapping Survey. It's a new tool that will help us fight for your continued access to the hunting and fishing areas in Arizona that you value the most. Mountain pressures from a variety of land use activities are a constant threat to our favorite outdoor spots. That's why we've joined forces with the Theodore Roosevelt Conservation Partnership and 6 other sportsmen's groups to conduct this survey. It's a web-based survey that's easy as drawing on a map. Just highlight your favorite hunting and fishing spots. We'll combine your results with many others that we receive to make maps that will show decision makers the parts of Arizona that sportsmen and sportswomen value the most. Arizona Game and Fish bases its decisions on sound scientific data. This survey gives us a new tool to help make sure that your favorite places to hunt and fish continue to be responsibly managed and remain open to the public. If you received a postcard in the mail inviting you to participate in this survey, then by all means, log in and let your voice be heard. Stay with us and we'll show you how. Thanks, and we really look forward to hearing from you.
Receiving this postcard in your mail means that you were selected to help us with important information about Arizona's hunting and fishing lands. Your postcard contains information to get you started on this important journey. You've already used the information on your postcard to open up this message that contains information on the Sportsman's Value Mapping Survey, survey instructions, video links, and links to other help documents and information. This page also contains several links that allow you to take the next step and go to the map. Let's click on Go to Map and get started. When the main page opens, a login box appears. The login and password information from the text in your postcard is now entered into the login and password windows inside of the login box. Click OK to finish logging into the survey map. When the map opens, on the left side you will see the Survey Information tab. It contains all the important information on how to fill out the survey and the final questionnaire. The Survey tab contains tools you can select and then use to draw areas on the map. You'll need to switch between the 2 tabs to do the survey by clicking on each one in the upper left-hand corner of this page. Click on the Survey tab. Notice the left panel changes to display the drawing tools. These oddly shaped, colored or textured swatches associated with species names like elk or with species groups like cold water fish are the most important controls on the Survey Map tab. First, I'll type in Lee's Ferry, AZ into the search box and hit Enter to zoom into that area of the state. Now click on one of the drawing tools and you'll notice that it becomes highlighted in blue. A message also appears when you move out over the map at the end of your cursor there, indicating that this tool is active. As the drawing tool message says, click and hold the left mouse button down as you drag the mouse across the screen in order to draw your hunting and fishing area. It's important to remember that when you start drawing, the shaded part shows what your drawing will cover. This might be a little confusing when you try to draw around a crooked feature like this stream. Notice how the shaded part moves and changes shape, sometimes covering areas you might not want. You can kind of ignore this until just before you finish the drawing, and at that point, the shadow will show the final shape of your drawing. To complete your drawing, simply release the mouse button. When you release the mouse button, a table will appear. You can fill it in by selecting the little triangle over to the right of the reason, and a drop-down of choices will appear. Select your reason by clicking on it, and then go on to the next reason you'd like to tell us about, and so on. If you have a reason that isn't listed in the table, simply go to the end of the list and type in your reason. When you've finished filling in reasons, click either on the X in the upper right hand of the reasons table or anywhere on the map to close the table and save your reasons. Notice that the shape you have just drawn is now shown on screen. To complete my survey, I will once again click the Survey Information tab. Then I'll scroll down to this big red Finish Survey button, and I'll click it to open the questionnaire. Now just fill out the questionnaire and click Continue at the bottom of the page when you've finished. On my way out, I can check out the cool, free wildlife ringtones, and then I'm done. If you have any difficulties, you can go back to the cheat sheet and find answers there. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at the information listed on the screen.